Looking for a bedding upgrade that combines comfort, style, and easy maintenance? The Madison Park Sarasota Microcell Down Alternative Comforter Set offers exactly that. With its soft, breathable fabric and subtle seafoam color, this set promises to refresh your bedroom without overwhelming your existing decor. Whether you want a cozy retreat or a casual update, this comforter set fits the bill effortlessly. I recently replaced my old comforter with this set, and the difference is clear. The 100% polyester filling provides warmth without the heaviness of traditional down, making it perfect for 3-season use. The sewn-through box quilting keeps the filling evenly distributed, so no annoying clumps or cold spots. Plus, it's machine washable, which means no more expensive dry cleaning or delicate handling. The seafoam shade is a soft, muted tone that pairs well with a variety of sheet patterns. Finally, a comforter that complements rather than clashes with your style. The set includes one comforter measuring 102 by 90 inches and two king shams at 20 by 36 inches each, fitting a queen mattress just right. It arrives compressed but quickly fluffs up to a smooth, wrinkle-free finish. No ironing headaches here. Importantly, this comforter is OEKO-TEX certified, so you can rest assured it's free from harmful chemicals, making it a healthier choice for your home. For anyone seeking a mid-priced, durable, and attractive bedding option, this set offers real value and lasting comfort. If you're ready to elevate your bedroom with a comforter that's both practical and stylish, the Madison Park Sarasota Microcell Down Alternative Comforter Set is worth a look. It's a smart investment in quality sleep and a cozy atmosphere that suits any season. Try it when you're ready to enjoy warmth, softness, and effortless care all in one package.